What's up, YouTube fams? How's everybody doing this evening? This is Investing with the Newbie, Jaime G, coming at ya with another great video. We're just going to get right into it today, guys. I try not to be too long, just long enough. So first of all, let's get right into my investing account here. So yesterday I was sitting at 24,000, I think 188, guys. As you can see, I am up 4.5% today, and after hours I am up another 1.1%, a total of 1,300, right? So today was a pretty good day for me, guys, right? Seeing green is always better than seeing red, right? None of this is financial advice, guys. It's just me, Jaime G, the newbie, and just, recording my journey in this investing in the stock market on my Robinhood account. If you'd like to help out the channel, please like and subscribe. Down below in the description, there will be some links there if you want to get some free stock for you and me for Robinhood or Webull, right, guys? If you decide to make an account, you use that link, we both get free stock. And with Webull, guys, you can actually trade in the pre-markets and after hours as well, right? If you want to get a little edge on the market. So without further ado, let's get on into it, guys. I'm going to be talking about a stock that I picked up today, a penny stock that I picked up, another penny stock today that I picked up, right? I picked up total of two today, guys, right? One 60 shares and the other one 150. One of them we'll talk about briefly. The one I picked up 60 shares was Gevo. Now, did I not tell you guys that it was possibly going to run up? Yeah, I know I'm a newbie, the new kid on the block, right? But the information I gave was legit, and pow, pre-market up 30% this morning. Ran up to 72% today, right? It reached its 52 all-time high today. And so did this other stock that I bought, this other penny stock that I'm going to talk about. Right, guys, that's what always pays, to do your due diligence. And like I had shared in my other video, guys, just because you're new at something, man, doesn't mean that you can't bring something to the table. Now, if somebody would have possibly, you know, looked into it themselves and did their own homework and seen, looked at the tweet and other stuff that's going on for Gevo, all right, they might have came to the same conclusion that it's possibly going to run up in the AM, and it sure did, guys. Now, if you would have invested some money, you would have been sitting in some profit today, whether it had been $10 or $1,000. Profit is profit, right? You got to grind your way to the top. For some of us, we just got to start off slow and work our way up to the top. But nonetheless, I told you so, guys. I told you it was gonna run up. I pop my collar. Do people even do that? That's probably old, right? I'm an oldie, but goodie, guys. It's all good. But without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So, like I said, 25, 333 is what I'm sitting at. Up 30, up 1,300, guys. I'm new. Bear with me. All right, let's scroll up. Let's take a quick look at my portfolio. We're going a little too fast there for you guys, right? Sorry about that. These are my option plays. Man, I got a Neo put. Did a rookie move, guys. I accidentally pushed put instead of a call, right? And I bought a Neo put. Uh, and so I wanted to buy a call, which you can see here, but I ended up buying a put first. So I ended up buying the call. I couldn't sell it, guys, right? Because my account, I can't day trade for 90 days, right? I've already sent like 3 emails to Robinhood's customer service, right? That's the only thing I don't like. They don't have a phone number like all these other ones, right? Which sucks. That's the one thing I will say that sucks about Robinhood, because now I gotta wait for them to respond back, because I can't day trade, right? As long as your account meets the requirements, you should be able to day trade. And I was day trading when my account met all the requirements, right? Once my account hit 25,000 straight up, just 25,000 even, I stopped day trading, right? Because my account could possibly go below the 25,000. So I stopped day trading right at 25,000. Anyways, so I'm just waiting for them to respond. So anyways, I couldn't get rid of my put. That's what I'm trying to get at, right? Because you can, if I was able to day trade, then I could have got rid of it, right? But I couldn't. So now I'm waiting for them to respond on that matter. But anyway, so these are my plays. I got the Neo, AMD, Facebook, Mara, pins, for Pinterest and Fuel Cell, right, guys? And you guys know all the stocks I got. Still got all the same ones. I didn't pick any more up of any. Oh, I picked up a couple other stocks, like I said. Yeah. So here's the Gevo. Right, it pulled back a little bit after hours, not very much, right? 5% from running up to the 72%, like I said. Right, and today's open was at 878, guys. Right, and it ran all the way up to 1168 and pulling back to 1042, which is not too bad. I think this is going to be a good play, like what I was saying, with two people heavily invested that are on Biden's science team. Yeah, this one's looking pretty and it's going to run up. I just know it is, right, guys? So that is just wanted to briefly touch on the Gevo. Hopefully some people got into it and made some money. So the other stock that I'm talking about that I bought is called Trans-Endrix. Endrix, right? And this one also hit its 52-week high, guys. It was today open at 275, and its 52-week high was at 401, and they closed at 370. All right, I'm definitely holding on to this one, guys, because the Gevo, more than likely too. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't have a commitment to any of these stocks. I will get rid of them if the price is right, because I'm all about making that paper and stacking my green, right? But I'm probably gonna hold on to this one for the long term, right? Because it's in the surgical, the medical field, right? And we're always gonna need stuff done in the medical field, right? And let's see here. So it says Trends stock hits 52-week high after getting CE mark approval. Let's click on this real quick. So it says shares were up 72% to 356 after the company said it received CE mark approval for its intellectual surgical unit that enables machine vision capabilities on the Senhance surgical system. Do your own homework. Look up what that is, guys. I'm not going to get into all that medical stuff. If you want to know furthermore what that stuff is, you could do your own homework and look into it, right? But I'm very bullish on this company, right? It says volume for the stock was 112 million shares at 1 p.m. compared to its 65-day average volume of 12.8. So 12.8 to 112. It's a big difference. The stock hit its 52-week high of 365 earlier in the session. The medical device company said that the approval will provide Senhance digital laparoscopic programs in Europe access to its new technology. The ISU's machine vision capabilities provide the ability to recognize certain objects and locations in the surgical field. The ISU improves the surgical team collaboration by sharing the surgeon's console view in real time across the entire operation room. The company said that the intelligent surgical unit is compatible with both the global installed base of Senhance surgical systems and with third-party vision systems that are currently supported by Senhance. All right, guys, and here's I got another article I'm going to read on briefly a little bit for you guys. I'm not going to sit here and read a whole novel to you guys, but just some more stuff why I'm bullish on it, right, guys? It says Trans-Endrix, emerging surgical robotics player with bullish momentum. It's a medical device company developing a surgical robotic platform for laparoscopy, which are minimally invasive operations on the abdomen and pelvic area. Its Senhance system uses a digital interface with augmented intelligence and machine vision to assist trained surgeons, like we had reading, right? The value is here increase in control during operations, reduce the variability to improve patients' outcomes. While robotic surgery has gained adoption over the past decade, the Trans-Endrix sees a significant opportunity in the laparoscopic field where there are limited current robotic applications. Right, the product already has been cleared by the FDA and approval across Europe and Japan, with the company focusing on building clinical adoption. Shares are up over 550% in the last 6 months, right? In 6 months, guys, 550%. That ain't too bad, right? And then it says indications can support higher growth. We believe the outlook is positive with the company gain momentum in 2021. All right, now let's briefly read on the background and what it is, right, guys? This Transgender is still in its early stages of commercializing its Senhance surgical robotic system. The platform introduces several pioneering function and capabilities representing a differential company compared to alternatives on the market. The company knows that Senhance is the first robotic system with AI machine vision capabilities incorporating proprietary software technology. Senhance is also in the first to use a haptic feedback control for the practicing surgeon, which it believes offers superior precision related to hand movements other platforms use. As it relates to laparoscopy, murdered that word, sorry guys, surgeons will likely feel comfortable as the system uses the familiar seated position enhanced with the 3D visualization, including eye tracking technology and remote type controls. Basically, the surgeon will be sitting down on a chair and basically like playing a video game, except he's cutting somebody up, right, and making lots of money, getting paid, making that paper, right, cutting people up using this type of technology, right, guys. So that's why I'm very bullish, right, because this is technology that's more advanced, and they don't probably less infections and so on and so forth, right? Because there's not somebody hovering over the patient, cutting them open and all of that, right? Not saying that there can't be infections or mistakes with the robotic, right? We are humans, and we make mistakes, but nonetheless, I think it's a good deal, right? For medical, right? It's something pretty cool. I wouldn't mind getting operated by a surgeon. As a matter of fact, I had a surgery on my left rotator cuff almost 2 years now, guys. And they used, they did a little incision and did a little microscopic surgery where they go in with the little camera and little things, and they don't, just real quick surgery, in and out, day surgery, right? So it says the point here is that this is a real product that has been used in more than 4,000 operations since 2017 and 86 different types of surgical procedures. 2020 was an important year for the company as it received FDA clearance along with the CE mark in Europe, right, which it just got, which I read earlier, just not too long ago, and approval in Russia. The company and China and Japan, rather, right? The company has seen strong clinical performance across several different surgical specializations, from general surgery, correlated gynecology, and urology, guys. So I'm just very bullish, right? And then it goes on to say, a bunch of other stuff here that you can read onto it. It's in Seeking Alpha if you want to, guys. Right? So for what it's worth, guys, robotic surgery does lack competition. There's not a lot of competition out there, like I was saying. The industry leader is Intuitive Surgical, right? And which has a 90 billion market cap, right? And it's opened up, so it's got a 90% billion cap, right? They're the big dog, if you will, in this field, in the robotic surgery, right? In Intuitive Surgical is their number one competitor. So I think there's just plenty of room for this company to run. Bear with me, guys. I still get a little nervous when I'm talking to myself on the camera making these videos. I just wanted to come at you guys with another video. I don't want to take too much of my time trying to make these videos like 10 minutes or less. Sometimes they might go more, I don't know, guys, but I'm trying to keep it to a 10-minute cap. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. Like I said, if you'd like to help out the channel, guys, please like and subscribe. It would be nice. It's okay. In time, I will get subscribers and comments and likes. But I'm going to keep making these videos, guys. Don't count me out. I know I'm the newbie, but I'm coming. I'm coming for you veterans right now. There's plenty of space to go, plenty of space in YouTube to go around for everybody, right? To get a piece of the American pie. So with that being said, everybody have a blessed night. Hopefully you guys did good in the markets, and I will be coming at you guys with another video tomorrow. I'm not sure I'm going to pick up another stock or what. We'll see which way the wind blows tomorrow, but you guys be blessed, be safe, and good night.